Clothing store, customer, good afternoon, seller, good afternoon, sir. How can I help you today, customer? I need a formal shirt for an office meeting, seller, sure. Do you have a specific color or style in mind, customer? I prefer light colors, maybe white or light blue. Also, it should be full-sleeved, seller, let me show you some options. This white shirt is made of cotton and perfect for formal occasions. We also have this light blue shirt in slim fit. Customer, the white one looks good. What size is this, seller? It's size 40. What size do you wear, customer? I wear size 42. Do you have this in size 42, seller? Let me check. Yes, here it is. Would you like to try it on, customer? Yes, where is the trial room, seller? It's over there, on the right. After trying the shirt, customer, the shirt fits well. How much is it, seller? It's 1,200 Indian rupees, customer, that's a bit expensive. Can you give me a discount? Seller, we have a 10% discount on formal shirts this week. So, the price will be 1,080 Indian rupees, customer, that's reasonable. I'll take it. Please pack it for me. Passenger, good morning, airline staff, good morning, sir. May I see your ticket and passport, please? Passenger, sure, here they are, airline staff, thank you. Are you checking in any luggage? Passenger, yes, I have one suitcase, airline staff, please place it on the weighing scale, passenger, all right. Is this okay, airline staff? Yes, it's within the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight is at 10:30 a.m., and boarding starts at 9:45 a.m., passenger, thank you. Which gate should I go? Airline staff, gate number 5. You can proceed to the security check now, passenger, got it. Thank you. At the security check, security officer, please place all your belongings in the tray, including your phone, laptop, and belt, passenger, sure, here you go, security officer, do you have any liquids in your bag, passenger, yes, I have a small water bottle, security officer, please remove it. You can't carry liquids over 100 milliliters, passenger, oh, I didn't know that. I'll throw it away. Security officer, that's fine. Please walk through the scanner, passenger, okay. Is everything all right, security officer? Yes, you're good to go. Please collect your belongings, passenger, thank you. At the boarding gate, passenger, excuse me, is this the boarding gate for flight AI 202, staff at gate? Yes, sir. May I see your boarding pass, passenger? Here it is. Staff at gate, thank you. Boarding will start in 15 minutes. Please wait in the lounge area, passenger, all right. Can I buy something to eat nearby, staff at gate? Yes, there's a cafe just down the grocery store, customer, good evening. I need some groceries, seller, good evening, ma'am. Please tell me what you need, customer, I need 2 kilos of rice, 1 kilo of sugar, and half a kilo of lentils, seller, we have different varieties of rice. Do you prefer basmati or regular rice, customer, basmati rice, please. How much is it per kilo, seller, it's 120 Indian rupees per kilo, customer, okay, I'll take 2 kilos. What about the sugar, seller, sugar is 40 Indian rupees per kilo, customer, that's fine. Please add it. Also, I need some vegetables, seller, sure. What vegetables do you need, customer? I need 1 kilo of tomatoes, 2 kilos of potatoes, and half a kilo of onions, seller. Tomatoes are 30 Indian rupees per kilo, potatoes are 25 Indian rupees per kilo, and onions are 50 Indian rupees per kilo, customer, that's fine. Do you have fresh coriander leaves, seller? Yes, we do. Would you like a bunch, customer? Yes, please. How much is it, seller? It's 10 Indian rupees per bunch, customer, all right. That's all for now. How much is the total? Seller, let me calculate. The total is 470 Indian rupees, customer, here's 500 Indian rupees. Please keep the change. Jewelry store, customer, good afternoon. I'm looking for a gold ring, seller, good afternoon, ma'am. We have a great collection of gold rings. What design are you looking for, customer? Something simple and elegant, seller, let me show you these designs. This one has a floral pattern, and this one is a plain band, customer, I like the plain band. How much does it weigh, seller? It weighs 5 grams. The price is 30,000 Indian rupees, customer, is it hallmarked, seller, yes, it's BS certified. Customer, that's good. Can I get it in a smaller size, seller, yes, we can adjust the size. It will take about 30 minutes, customer, perfect. I'll take it. Do you accept card payments, seller, yes, ma'am. Please follow me to the billing counter. At the electronics store, customer, hi, I want to buy a laptop, seller, sure, sir. What kind of laptop are you looking for, customer? I need something for office work and video calls, seller. Do you have a budget in mind, customer? Yes, around 50,000 Indian rupees, seller, let me show you a few options. This one is 48,000 Indian rupees. It has 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, and a full HD screen, customer, that sounds good. Does it have a webcam, seller? Yes, it does. And it also has a good battery backup of up to 10 hours. Customer, what about warranties, seller? It comes with a 1-year warranty. You can also extend it for another year by paying 2,000 Indian rupees extra, customer, That's useful. Do you have any other brands, seller? Yes, this model from HP is 52,000 Indian rupees. It has 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, which makes it faster, customer, I like this one better. Can you give me a discount, seller? If you pay in cash, I can give you a 5% discount, customer, okay, I'll take it. Can you also show me a good laptop bag, seller? Sure. This bag is 1,200 Indian rupees and fits the laptop perfectly, customer, I'll take the bag too. Please bill them together.